Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and what we're having today is Big Mac Sloppy Joes. Gonna give it a try. Never had this before, but it sure sounds good. Alrighty, let's get started with what we're gonna need. Alrighty, what we'll start off with first is the ground beef mixture. You got your burger here. Now we went with the 73.27. It was cheaper, folks. $1 a pound cheaper. But anyway, what we'll do, we'll start off with browning this. We'll get it mostly cooked, and then we'll drain the fat, and then you pour in your onions. It's a half of a yellow onion finely chopped. Then what we're going to do, we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of hamburger pickles with those chopped up. I've got to chop them up here shortly. And then we're going to put in a teaspoon of kosher salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of coarse ground pepper, and 2 teaspoons Worcestershire sauce. Alrighty. Now, for the secret sauce recipe, we've got all this through here. What it's going to be is 1 cup of mayonnaise, your favorite mayonnaise, up to you, whatever you like. A 1/4 cup of French dressing, 2 tablespoons of sweet relish, a tablespoon of ketchup, a teaspoon of white vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and an 1/8 teaspoon of salt. We'll mix all this, combine it together, and we'll have the secret recipe, folks. Let's start browning our burger. Alrighty, here's our 1/4 cup of pickles. We're going to chop them up. Here's my new knife Carolyn got me. Okay folks, now what we're going to do, we're going to brown up our burger. We'll get it mostly done, and then like I said, we'll drain the grease. Then we'll add our other stuff into it there. Let's start browning. Alrighty, let's go ahead while the ground beefs are browning. We'll make our secret sauce. 2 tablespoons of sweet relish. This is some Carolyn made. It's really good on hot dogs too, folks. Alright, next we'll be putting in 1 cup of mayonnaise. Doug gets it all out of the bowl here. He's trying to hurry. Okay. Set that in the sink. Now, let's go ahead and put in our 1/4 cup of French dressing. Alright, let's throw this in the sink. Now, what's next? We're going to put in our tablespoon of ketchup. Alrighty, let's see, we need our teaspoon of white vinegar. Alrighty, there's our teaspoon of white vinegar. Then we've got a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Next, we're going to be doing an 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now we'll mix that all together. Let's double check, make sure we got everything, folks. We've got our mayonnaise, we've got our French dressing, our sweet relish, ketchup, white vinegar, onion powder, and salt. All right, we're ready to mix it up now. I'm gonna run over here and check on the burger real quick. Alright, this is browning up nicely. We're getting ready here in a minute as soon as we get our sauce fixed. Now folks, it's a lot easier than what it's looking like here. It just seems like there's a lot of steps. Okay, we'll have to drain this, as you can see. Okay, let's just mix this up here real good. As good as we can get it mixed up anyway. Now what we'll do, part of this here, will actually go in on top of the burger. And then the other part you reserve for putting on your burgers. And the directions, the recipe's even got how you should fix your burger. The different steps. And we'll show you that too. We'll be sure and have the recipe in the description. Hopefully you can hear me over the stirring. If not, we'll do a voiceover. Alrighty, show them down inside there, Chip. Alright, like I said folks, we're only cooking this halfway through. We're going to drain this off and then we'll add the rest of our stuff over here to it. Alrighty folks, going to put in our 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Now, our onions. Our pickles. And then also, we measured out our salt and pepper already. Now, let's get everything stirred up here. And we'll finish cooking the burger here. Alrighty, now we take 1 cup of our sauce, and like I said, we reserve the rest for us to make the actual burger over there. Let's mix it all up here. Alright, now this is how the recipe says for us to assemble it, and we're going to try it by the recipe. We've got our bottom here, put our sauce on here, like this. Then it says to use lettuce. Okay, then next, a slice of American cheese. Like I said, folks, I'll make sure Carolyn puts this in the description. Now, place that on there. And then we're going to put meat. Okay. Just a little bit more there. We put another bun bottom on there. And then we start all over. We put secret sauce on there, like that. Just redo everything like we just did. Now, put some lettuce. And then we'll put another slice of cheese. Wrap my cheese here. Place that on there like that. And then we're gonna put on some more meat. And then put the top on. And there we go. Oh, Carolyn just straightened me out here, folks. We forgot something. We've got to put our pickles on. Sorry about that. I'm not wearing my glasses right now. Now, There we go. Okay folks, here's the finished product. We got our fries there, some ketchup for the fries, and there is our Big Mac. We'll let you know how it is. It looks good. Carolyn said it smells good. Alrighty folks, I'd like to thank you all for watching. You all have a blessed day. Lord willing, we'll be seeing you soon. Thank you again for watching.